Q. Core Q is mean high grade. The kanji core is mean high or tall. And the second kanji Q. Q is mean the level. Level. This means level A, level B, level C, right? The level. So when you put the kanji mean high and the kanji with Q is mean the kanji that level. So it can be like high grade or high leveled. But actually we say like a high grade. That means we say that thing. If we talk about the level, that means is the grade level or the high level. So we say core Q. And for example, in here we have the example like 高級な寿司を食べたことがありません。高級な寿司を食べたことがありません。Which means I have never had high grade sushi before. I never had high grade sushi before. 高級な寿司 right? Sushi is mean Japanese sushi, and Kokyu is mean high grade or high level. That is not the normal sushi, so it's not normal the sushi. So you can say like Kokyu. That mean that sushi cost the many money, cost a lot of money, more than the normal sushi. So you can say Kokyu na sushi. And taberu or tabe takoto ga arimasen, which means you tabe is mean eat. So that means you haven't eat the high grade sushi before. And another example, you can say like a kokyu na hotel, right? Kokyu na hotel. Hotel is mean hotel, and kokyu is mean the high grade or the high level of hotel. That mean the high grade hotel. The high grade hotel is mean is really expensive, more than the normal hotel, and they will have the good service or the very good service for you if you go to stay in the Kokyu na hotel. Or if you want to describe something in the high grade, you can use Kokyu to help explain. Kokyu na tabemono, right? Kokyu na hotel. Kokyu na sushi, right? Sushi is mean Japanese sushi. Tabemono is mean the something that you eat. Everything that about that you can eat. And Kokyu is mean high grade. This is about the food, very good